Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. What's going on? Wow, Guan. So today into this video I'm going to show you what I have in my DIY postpartum basket that decided say okay, let me make it. Me see a few people make it and them say it actually did come in handy after having a child. And me say okay, let me make it and see and try it out and see how it goes after having baby, and see if this would be a more of a convenient way of getting to stuff instead of going here, there to get all my needs basically. So with the postpartum basket, it's just something simple to just have into the bathroom with you. You have basically everything into one place and nice and comfortable, and you're good to go. So this is simple, and if I get anything from the hospital like the underwear them or anything like that, I will be putting those in this basket as well. Most of the things in here is pads. So I have the big maxi pads. Yes, I do have the big maxi pads, and these pads are the ones that I'm going to try out by making the podsicle with the aloe vera gel and the witch hazel and freeze it. So they said it do give you some comfort and smoothing and cooling down there after you give birth, because a lot of pain, all of those things are gonna happen. So it does give you that cool and comfort. And this is just a simple basket. It already repaired it. We get the basket here from the Dollar Tree, and I think I probably need a stronger basket, but maybe not. So I'm just gonna stick with this one. So just a simple neat size basket. This can go underneath the sink in the bathroom and I'm good to go. Right, so with those maxi pads I have some different size pads as well, and yeah, there's some different brands. So basically these pads are the ones that was before I converted over to the all natural pads. So I have all of these, the maxi and the other sizes are before I converted over to the all natural. So with this package right here, this is the all natural pad. So it's organic and it's natural. It's 100% cotton. It's organic cotton maxi pads. It's plastic free, fragrance free, chlorine free. So with these pads, hopefully the regular pads don't give me any rash or anything like that, because I would have to be purchasing a lot more of these ones. But I do have a few more of these ones, but these are the ones. They're not so big, so that's the reason, one more the reason why I have the maxi right here. On the other side I have these underwear briefs. I have it also into my two of them also into my hospital bag as well, and I have about 3 of them in here. I have a package of about 8, so I have 3 of them in here, and I have 2 of them in my hospital bag. And this is the aloe vera gel. This is the aloe vera gel to make my podsicle. And this is the witch hazel. You can also use the witch hazel as a face toner as well. May find out, may never know that. Maybe use as a skin cleanser or toner as well. So this will be going on the podsicle inside this with the aloe vera gel. You can also put essential oil. I don't have any essential oil in here now, but when you're making it, you can put essential oil in it and just fold it up back, put it into a Ziploc bag and put it in your freezer. Right, with that I have a lot more, but me just put a few of them in here. A handful of breast pads in here, and last but not least I have tacks. So I did not know about tacks with my first, and yeah, basically I didn't know about tacks at all until now, when I was looking on Pinterest and seeing what they have into their basket. So tacks is basically it's a medicated cooling pad, and put it into their pad, just place it on their pad and use it and just change it throughout the day. Nipple cream, I'm also supposed to have nipple cream in here or in my little baby basket that I have here, which we're gonna talk about that after this. So it's either into the postpartum basket or the baby basket that I have. I will put the nipple cream. Also have the painkillers and them to go into my basket. So that's basically it for my basket. As I said, I probably find a few things after coming from the hospital to put into it, but for now my basket is complete. with dropping in the painkiller and stuff like that afterwards, right? So that's it from my basket. So the next, moving on to the next basket. So this basket now I made just for basically moving around in the house, like now I'm in the couch now and I have the baby feeding here, the baby spill up, or you know, something happened, I have to change a diaper or whatever. I don't want to be running into the room to go change diaper, or going into the room to get the stuff, come back out to change diaper. So what I did is I made a basket for that reason. So into this basket is really simple, and it have a handle which is really nice. I love it. I got this from Dollarama. I think it was $4, and it's not heavy, and it's a good size. So my first son is able to carry it as well. So into this basket I have baby clothes. So I have onesies, two onesies and 2 sleeper, right? So I have these small ones, newborn. Depending on the size of the baby, we'll probably change that over time. And we have about 2 sleepers in here. So I have a baby hat as well to go with it, and I have some baby rug, and I have like a small burp cloth as well, and just some baby rugs just in case baby burp, you know, baby vomit, or you know, prick up, or what we call it. And I have, with that, I have a pack of baby wipes in here, and this is the one that you can open from the front, very convenient, right? Also have all of this stuff in the baby room. There's a baby wipe warmer in the baby room, but I wanted to have at least a wipes in here to go with everything in the basket. Then we have diapers. So I have 2 different brands of diapers in here. I have Pampers and I have Huggies. So Huggies is the sample that I got free from Huggies. You sign up with them and you get free diapers from Huggies. And the Pampers is the one that I bought, like size newborn, size 1 and size 2, because I really do like using Pampers over Huggies. For some reason, I don't know, I just like using Pampers over Huggies so far. So we don't know if baby's gonna be reacting to any of these diapers, so I have 2 just in case, right? This package right here, this little travel diaper bag size right here, it has shampoo in it, it has Vaseline into it, it has baby lotion into it, and it has diaper rash cream in it. So basically everything is in it. It's just that it's just like travel size basically. And I ordered this because I wanted it, but I did not know it was travel size, and I wanted to return it, and they decided to say, okay, you wanted to return it, you're not comfortable, you're not happy with it, so we decided to give you a free. So yes, I got this free, and we decided to say, okay, I'm gonna put this one in this basket, and I have the bigger stuff in the baby's room. And then the next thing that I have, which this is the last thing that I have in here, is breast pads. So I have breast pads. So I have breast pad in my basket, postpartum basket, and I also have breast pad into the baby's basket, right? That is it for this basket. Time goes by, if I see that there's something that I use more of in the room that I need to have like around here with me or something like that, then I will put it in the basket. But yes, that is it for the baby's basket, and that is it for my basket. So that's about it. That sums it up. I have hospital bag ready to go, my basket them ready to go, baby room is ready to go, car seat we have to do this week, and then that will be ready to go, and then we're ready. I guess we'll be ready for baby to come now, right? So I guess that's about it, guys. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed, please do so if you would like. Also follow me on Instagram. You will see a lot more updates. You probably see me announcing the birth of our second baby on there before I upload on YouTube. And yes, we will be filming the birth as well, as much as we can. I don't know how things gonna turn out, so hopefully we can catch a lot of stuff, right? You know, we'll see how that goes. So thank you again for watching. I'll see you in my other video. All right, later. I'm out.